Hi, welcome to HARP Research, like our internship progress report. I am Chen. I'm a full stack developer intern, and Ashley is.
And Ashley. Yes. Next slide. So
So our project was the whole HARP website revamp. Our project was to kind of revamp the whole HARP research website, especially we wanted to showcase all the new tech, what are all the things that we're doing at HARP. So yeah, we want to show it to the world. So objectives: we first we created mock-ups for all the websites, just make sure how any one of the founders want to say like give input or anything to the website, and then we want to make multiple pages. Obviously, we used Vue.js for this, so we create multiple pages for that, just to make sure all the designs are catered towards what we want to display. And then also we're adding little visual animations and then functionality. So when people click on it, they can also like do more stuff. Got like page. Next slide, please. So project progress. So we kind of just, as I said before, the whole goal was to redesign the whole website, and we want to just improve that usability. Just the other website has some like cool animations in it, but as I was going through initially, there are some bugs that we have to be like ironed out. But we need to actually decide that we should just revamp the whole thing, and we want to make it scalable. So later on in the future, we can display more projects in the future. Also, interactive features, hover over stuff, all those elements, and then user-friendly interfaces. So we want to show HARPs. So as you see on the right-hand side, the search bar for the HARP articles, and then we have all the flippable cards, so we can display all the members of research. Next slide, please. That demo.
no, there's another one.
The demo slide.
Yeah.
Just demo.
So this is our website. We have a couple of pages about products, projects, and articles, contact, and get started. So we have our interactive landing page that Will made in CSS. His hard work makes it look very beautiful.
So
and as you hover over, you can see the effects.
Yeah. Cool.
And there's get started and careers. We'll have to remove this for the working website, but yes.
Description, and then
there's about,
and then all interactive features, so you can just hover over them. Projects.
Hover.
Yes, you have.
And then
I
don't think this works. So would we have to remove this?
No, we'll just implement this later on into the future. This is something that they will like get like a newsletter or
something. And this is our footer.
Yeah.
Yes. About us. This is our about page. And then these are just components that we just copy and pasted, so it's reusable. You could just change it. And then meet the team. You could hover over, and then you could.
Yuval, only person who works here.
Yuval's not even in this meeting.
Dude, Yuval. Right now, we just have this top part as a pillar, the interactive page, and then all this information will be filled out. And then right these features, they update time, so blah blah blah, just filler stuff right now. But we can always update that later on.
The excellent spreadsheet.
Yeah. Excellent spreadsheet. So
it's
right
an
here,
excellent spreadsheet.
We're thinking about having another like page here, another here.
I think
is this the viewpoint or excellent page?
This is viewpoint, but we just have photos there as a placeholder.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a lot.
And then these other products is nothing there yet.
Product 2.
Product 2.
But the spreadsheet is excellent.
Excellent.
I do have a question about the gradient background. I know it's compressed because we're doing it over like shared desktop.
Right.
Is it an image, like a PNG, or is it like an SVG?
It is you mean the background?
Yeah.
That blue thing is all CSS.
Okay, great.
It's all main CSS. So in the base.css, there's a whole section dedicated just to here, this is actually made the projects.
Yeah.
The carousel.
Carousel. And then
There's-
there's 2 different pages, so open source.
Where did you fall?
Yeah, these are just components. Just replace the stuff.
Yeah.
And then these are
No, wait, hold on, go back.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, no
I
lessons,
saw a
network
little
theory.
thing. I saw a little. I'm nitpicking. It was at the bottom.
The pictures look oddly similar.
what? To what?
No, never mind. There was one thing where something like some text overlaid other text. I was like, yeah. See, that's unfortunate. See,
Maybe we can make the header have like
Yeah, the header's-
what do you call it? A gradient behind it, like it goes
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
opaque to translucent.
So I remember Eric talking about this in the beginning. He mentioned this all the way in the beginning, like September. But he wanted something where the header has like some animation that's kind of just like. We haven't gone to that yet, but we will.
that would be neat. It would be.
It definitely would be neat,
Ooh,
especially
research
like,
paper.
Ooh.
Graph go up, good. Oh my gosh, that was horrifying.
This
Yeah.
is. I have to fix this, but
Oh, DiMaggio.
yeah.
Joe DiMaggio?
That's what I thought.
that's where it went. Yeah. This is-
Where did
project
Joe DiMaggio go? Oh, with the heart.
And then this is the articles page. So you can click on these. It's all these filler text for now. Also, you can search. So
What I search?
build. Just type in build. Oh, not that.
We should make it so if you type in raptor, a raptor runs across the bottom of the
Lead.
screen.
There you go. Lead. Yeah. So the filtering works for the articles.
You didn't put a single Easter egg in?
I mean, I could.
I don't know. I think it all being Yuval is kind of an Easter egg.
You guys have the privilege. of
And
Easter
then
eggs.
we're trying to show off the load more before.
But if I have a serious thing to say, it's the fonts on the logo is not.
Well, yeah, I think that's obvious.
But then we have the contact us
Design
page.
Everything's fucking.
All these are just modals that come up, and then
I'll totally go somewhere.
it'll be somewhere.
Places, localhost.
And then get started. Obviously, you can log in with your Apple.
Yo,
that. And then,
how'd you?
So-
Wait. If you log in with Google, does it actually log in?
Oh, no, there's no actual functionality.
Okay,
We
I
don't
don't
have
have
it.
it. Placeholder.
Yeah, not-
Placeholder.
not
You
yet.
can log into
not
nothing,
yet,
but it works
but,
with Google.
If you were in Google, I'd be.
And then here's the AES gradient background. The
Yeah,
user
that's
access user.
That's our whole website.
That's
Awesome.
pretty-
Looks great.
Better than what we have.
Oh yeah,
Like these are big moves.
rough
Big
detail
moves.
aside, this looks awesome. This looks great.
I honestly, I ship it as it is with the the fixes coming in.
We will fix that product page where the drop down, product 1, 2, and 3. We'll just scrap the 2 and 3 for now. We'll just have viewpoint and then edit that viewpoint page so we can.
Harper can help you guys fix up.
This whole thing will be fixed up, and whatever Harper wants to, we put on here.
I think once there's a little bit more time in everybody's schedule, in
Oh,
like
yeah.
a week or two, we'll just sit down and kind of hash through everything that needs to be.
How
This
about
is
3
final
to
weeks.
4 weeks?
Finals.
People like to sleep
Yeah.
and eat.
Yeah.
Wrong.
But anyways, this is our page. This is what we've been working on for the whole semester. But there's so much more to come, and each page has so much more to do. So this is personally from my experience with the reflection of the past couple of months. Some skills and experience I've gained. I just improved myself in design. That whole hover over that node thing was completely from my hands itself, and I didn't know I could make it until I actually implemented it. Also, just like showcasing, being up here to show you guys what we can do, what I can do, what it can provide to HARP. And also just like being a product, like trying to like make sure everyone's on time, making sure like me and Ashley are working together. So all that, and then also roadblocks. Throughout this whole experience, I've had a lot of like clubs happening, a lot of new things happening in my life, and like injuries, sickness, all that. And then I kind of just overcame these by just like it's all about managing my time effectively, especially if I'm down. If I'm at home, I'm just gonna have to keep working. No stop. Anyways, let's go to my my favorite and least favorite part of the whole internship so far. Favorite part. Before I had a car, I came walking down the hill every single day. It was nice, good walk. And then always just coming to the office. So like I just really like to be talking to Harper, Kevin when he's here, Shane whenever he's here, and Garrett when he comes down. I like just talking to the guys, just you know, be nice. And then this least favorite part is just like also walking downhill. It's kind of a exercise thing. But yeah, that's my reflection for now. Next slide, please.
So this is my experience. Skills learned is creating user designs with the input of other people and other goals in mind. So usually I would just design things for myself and like, oh, it looks so nice, and I'll just uh, say it's good for now. But like with the designing for HARP research, I'm using the input of everyone else and your goals. So that's a little bit different. And then I gained more time management because there's a lot of stuff to be done. So I also learned how to use Postgres, and then also trying to design in a more modular fashion, so like more components. Like, oh, how can I make everything a component so I can just reuse it, and then like make things dynamic so I can just push it and then not like redesign a whole system all over again. And Roblox overcame is learning how to use Postgres, and then also learned how to work faster because we have deadlines. So, but it's not there. I just make them hard deadlines, so I just work faster. But my favorite part was the designing and the conceptualizing in Figma. And then my least favorite was walking back up the hills after meetings, and it's kind of cold today, so I did not come in